Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play Murder Mystery 2 on Roblox. Pretty self-explanatory. Um, one, one person could be the sheriff, one is the murderer, the rest are citizens. I think there's one more, I'm not sure. But I'm still waiting for my turn here. This is where you're supposed to pick your map, so you can spectate. I'm just going to spectate some people. Here, just press Q and E to go between people. Are there only 4 players here? Yes, there is. Here, there's 3 game modes. Standard, disguises, and assassin. Are they done now? I feel like they are. Right? Okay. Wait. Why is it taking so long to start? But if you're okay, here it is. I'm just going to vote for hospital. Here, this is where you vote for the map. There's hospital, bank, office. I think there's a map rotation for this as well. This is my inventory. I'm just going to load the map and see what I get. Okay, so there's innocent, sheriff, and murderer. Game starts in 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds to hide. I guess you just have to figure out who the murderer is if you're the sheriff. I'm just going to try hiding in the second floor, although there is a lot of people, so I don't know. Hopefully this guy is safe, but there will be survival XP here. But yeah, that is pretty much it. The sheriff has to figure out who is the murderer. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.